Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome back. Hopefully everybody had a nice weekend. So today is Tuesday, September 3rd of 2019. There is no birthdays to announce for today, but I do have some upcoming birthdays happening tomorrow, so look for the birthday list to be starting back tomorrow. And also, just a reminder, staff and students, we will have a practice storm drill today at 9 a.m. So we will make a call over the intercom to get to storm drill positions. So if you haven't reviewed that yet with your class, please do so this morning. Lunch choices for today: mac and cheese, chicken sandwich, and ham and cheese sandwich. Got 2 sandwiches today. And for our pause samples, we have our 4th grade students here who will be talking about things that are happening on the playground.
All right, it is time for our pause, and we have our last group of 4th graders here for this time around from Mrs. Williams' class, and they decided to talk about things with the playground.
Never go down the slide head first. Don't stop the swings from the handles. Don't push the swing too high.
Those are great suggestions. Thank you, guys.
Thank you very much, guys. I appreciate that. And for our gratitude for today. So, boys and girls, for today, I want you to use your manners of please and thank you to all students and staff today. So if you are asking things of you needed or you need to have or want, please make sure you're giving gratitude by saying please and thank you today. At this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing. Have your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, guys. I appreciate that. And everyone have a wonderful day. It is a shorter week this week with only 4 days, but let's make it a great one.